What's up, guys? Welcome back to Cocktails with Ray. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I like to make my margaritas. Don't forget, Cinco de Mayo is coming soon, so I have something else for you guys then. But this is now. So let me show you real quick. So I have an agave here blanco, which I love. Just found it the other day. And remember, guys, I pick up all my stuff in Total Wine here in Florida. I don't know, wherever you're at, I guess at your favorite liquor store. I also have this Exotico Reposado, which I love also too. I use both tequilas on mine. We're not playing no games here, all right? Also, I've been using for a while this Tres Agaves Margarita Organic Mix. I get this at my local Publix. They also have it in Total Wine. So you could, actually I saw it not too long ago in Target. So look around in Target because I could have sworn I saw it there in Target. So look in your local Target also. So we have an agave blanco, we have a reposado, our mix, right? And I like to use two liqueurs. I use the Control, which is basically an orange triple sec. It's made in France. Great stuff. And of course, Grand Marnier, which I love. And this is basically an orange liqueur with cognac, also made in France. All right, guys. Listen, you could use Don Julio. You could use Three Generations. You can use whatever tequila you like. As you see, if I wanted to go, you know, with the real expensive stuff, we got here some Don Julio Reposado and some Añejo. But hey, it's the tequila that you like. Cuervo, whatever it is, all right? So let's get started. So, first, guys, I like to put my ice. And by the way, how you like my glass? I bought this yesterday especially to make the tequila, the margarita today. I bought this in Home Goods. Pretty cool, right? So we're gonna fill up our cup with ice, right? Now, guys, remember, I love to freestyle. I like to do it by eyeballing it. That's how they come out really good. But I will let you guys know, right, how much to put of each item that I have here on the table, okay? So with that being said, right, we're gonna start with our agave blanco. So we're going to do, guys, about 2 ounces of this, right? Then we're gonna do another 2 ounces of the reposado. Okay, guys? And remember, guys, like I always told you before, right? Go to Target and buy your little tool right here that I bought with my stirrer. I bought this actually, my apologies, I bought this in Marshall's, right? This side will give you 1 ounce. This side will give you 2 ounces, okay? So you don't have to eyeball it like I do. That will come in time. Just use your little jigger, okay? Now, we're gonna do 4 ounces of the margarita mix. There we go, right? And what we're gonna do is, like I said, you could either use your Control or you could use your Grand Marnier. I like to use both. So, what we're going to do here is a quick splash or floater, however you want to say it, in the top of the Control. Then, stuck. A splash or floater of the Grand Marnier. Look here how pretty that's looking now. Then, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna give it a little stir, nothing crazy, right? And guys, an option for you, which a lot of people like to do. You can have a slice of lime on the side and just put it in there, you know what I mean? And give it that look. Now let me show you guys what this looks like. Nice, all right? So, let's give this a shot. Cheers. There's not much to say. I know my wife is gonna love this, and you guys will love it too. So, thank you again, guys, for entering my channel and checking out my channel. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe, and guys, also, if by any chance you missed anything or I was too fast for you or whatever, you can always go to my description box down below, and it will tell you everything what to do right there. So thank you again for coming and watching me on my channel. Also guys, I just got my Instagram, which the wifey told me to get it. So with that being said, it's also Cocktails with Ray. Give me a follow, like, comment, whatever it is. Just show me some love. I appreciate it. Thank you guys.